Okay, it's coming. 1, 2. Malapit na. 1, 2. O, tingin doon mo rin kasi may escalator na. Welcome to paradise. Meet the flock. Oh, may answer ba yan? May answer? Oh, may answer yung box. Kailangan answeran yung box ng ano. 1, 2, 3. What is that? Dive into... What is this, Maria? Seahorse? Or seahorse? Arctic Adventure. King Penguin, may King Penguin pala mo rin.
Gonna picture that. Picture na niya.
Oh, muli. Wow. Ito mo naman siya. What's mo na saglit? Ha? Yun na yata yun eh. Oh, they are here. Shower sila. Oh, Picora.
Jump in the water. Somebody jump in the water.
Oh, they have plenty.
There's holes right there. So they can swim.
Shut up. Cannot see.
Tired ka, Sporty?
Cannot see the penguin. You go to the glass mo You can go to the glass.
What is that? One of the penguin got a thing. One of the penguin got a thing on
The penguin.
That's not a penguin, Morty. What's that?
Where's the king penguin and queen? Where's the queen and king? You can't see them. Huh? Where's the king penguin? Where's the king penguin? One, two, three, go. 1, 2, 3. Where's the king penguin? Tingin mo rin, oh. Penguin, penguin. I-turn mo, i-turn. Your turn. Your turn.
Ay, a penguin?
Dalawa kayo, ma'am siya. Wow! Strong si Morty, ah. Am I a penguin? Spin the wheel. What is this? Royal. Si Mami naman. Si Mami. Si Mami naman. Ready na, Mami. What penguin si Mami? Oh, si Adel si Mami. Si Adel.
French Antarctic explorer named me after his beloved wife Adele.
Adel pala ito. Sanctuary. Where are we? Oh, anong meron dyan? Elevator?
Sanctuary.
Huh? Where's the birds? Oh, it's flying. Oh.
Anong hornbill yan?
Hornbill ba yan? Kita mo yan?
Common green, magpie.
Oh,
Magpie.
dito malaki yata yun. Nandun lang siya.
Saan? Where?
Doon sa kanan.
Where?
Magpay ba yan mo di? Picture ikaw dyan? Oh. Birds is big, so big. What is a parrot ba yan mo di? Oh. Basa mo yan? Philippine.
Ah, you know, Philippine cockatoo. The white one, ayun mo diyo.
Philippines pala ito. Ito yung nangangagat mo di.
Oh, the other one.
A red-billed toucan.
Oh, a red-billed toucan. Oh, what about that?
Oh, what is this? Mo di? Chicken?
It's a bare-faced curassow.
Oh.
Bare-faced curassow.
Corazon?
Ah, look at the toucan. Red-billed toucan. Toucan pala.
Tukan pala ito. Dami pala nila dito eh. Oh, kinakain niya mo di.
Ayun, look at video mo yung curassow. Ayun o, curassow.
Corazon, corazon.
Curassow, bare-faced curassow.
Krok.
Yung tukan.
Saan?
The tukan, ayun o. Ang ganda ng tukan mo diyo.
Ganda yung tukan mo di oh.
Red yung niya. Red-billed tukan. Red yung niya.
Yung tuka niya. What is that yan?
Negros, Negros bleeding
Oh,
heart.
sa Dumaguete yan. Negros eh.
Where is the bleeding heart? Ayun o, Mordis. There o.
Oh, maraming ganito sa amin. Binabaril.
Negros
Saan yan?
bleeding heart.
Alimok ang tawag dyan eh. Ayun, marami. Kruk.
Negros bleeding.
Sister.
Peacock. Santa Cruz groundhog.
Hanapin sila.
Ito yung male, ito yung female. Oh, really? No, the male and female.
Oh.
Male and female.
Oh, the green grass. Green grass.
yellow plastic.
Saan yung hanapin mo yung bird? Nandun, oh, dami nilang bahay, oh. May bahay pala sila eh.
This one is the male.
Oh,
No, this
Mindanao
is what.
breeding heart.
This one is
Oh, may
the
Mindanao pala ito.
female.
Ayun mo
Sila,
din,
Morty,
ayun mo
look
din.
at the birds.
Si hiding, oh.
The
This is
Mindanao. This is the Mindanao
Oh,
breeding
yeah.
heart. Ay, no more din. Oh, kasi yung heart, andito pula, breeding heart.
Oh.
Mindanao.
Oh, nandito sa ano. Sa
May
dibdib.
red, may red
Nasa dibdib. Mindanao bleeding heart ito eh.
Oh, Mindanao bleeding heart.
Meron pa daw na.
Oh, ito oh. What's pa ito? Bleeding heart. Where's the bleeding heart?
Oh,
Ito, sana yan mo din. Maliliit yan eh. Maliliit yan.
village river.
Village river.
Village river. Oh, Madagascar. Blue pigeon.
Madagascar blue pigeon. Here's a lovebird. Speckled mouse bird. Madagascar.
Partridge.
And the female and the male.
Enjoy ni
Oh,
mo
I
din.
mean speckled mouse bird.
Pickle mo din oh. Pickle oh. Small. Pickle oh. Pickle siya. Oh, maya.
Bird, ala, oh, the yellow. That's the yellow.
Sila maya.
Yeah.
Anong parrot yan? Vietnam? Pisan pala yan. Hindi pala yan ano. Ito, answer mo yung box.
12-wired bird of paradise.
Oh, marami silang wire eh. Tingnan mo yung wire nila oh. May wire sila eh. Yun oh, ito wire yan eh.
Ito yung ano?
Ano?
Ito yung ano?
Yan.
Itong male, ito yung female.
Oh, alam ni Marty ah.
Quack.
Huwag yan dyan ah. Kingbird, ito Marty oh. Kingbird, ito Marty. Ito. Oh, may ano siya oh. May tamam siya oh.
Wow, look at
What
that.
is
It's
that?
a western pigeon. It's a western crowned pigeon. Look
Kingbird,
at that.
where's Kingbird? Ah, that's pigeon
Oh,
pala
it's
yan.
a western pigeon.
Or is that-
Western crowned pigeon.
Pigeon fly pala yan. Skyline pigeon.
King bird of paradise. Where's the king bird of
Tingnan mo
paradise?
yung bird.
Yung lakyan na.
Ha? Paradise ba yan?
Lalagyan ng bird of paradise.
Ha?
Lalagyan ng
Sino nagtago sila dyan oh? Ano?
kagu.
Kuwago.
Kagu. Ghost of the forest.
Oh, see the sound? Mori.
I know. Flying.
Fly na, hanap niya.
Fly.
Saan sila yun, Mori oh?
The white Bali Mayna. Jungle bush whale. Asan ang jungle bush whale? Look, Marty, ayun o.
Ah, ito yung quail egg, Mori.
Ayun o, quail.
Quail egg oh.
Jungle bush whale.
Yung bird, oh, tingnan mo yung bird. Oh, kita mo yun?
Kita mo yan? Jungle bush whale.
Anong bird yan? Mahabang uso.
Tukans. Tukans or
She's
not?
not. Tukans pala ito, Mori.
Tukans or
Tuka
not?
oh, may tuka.
Arakis are small tukans. These
Yeah, may tuka
frugivorous
siya.
birds can hang upside down to grab fruits from
Ayun, Mori.
ground.
Hanghang siya oh. Laki ng tukang. Laki ng tuka na eh.
Yeah.
Wow, laki nun ah.
Chestnut-eared arakari.
Oh, hanap po sila oh. Maliliit sila.
Kinan.
Oh, ito, Mori. Ano to? Crocodile ito? Ito. Oh, what is that?
Oh, lizard.
Crocodile or lizard?
Lizard.
Lizard ba yan?
Probably a won't
Ang siya will fly oh. Fly
Yan, lizard mo di? Ano yan?
Lizard yan lang siya yata. What is that? Is outside the birds. Takot siya Mori. Heart of Africa ito eh. Ano siya?
Doon ang heart of
Saan? Ano yan?
Hornbill.
Where? Oh, very big yan ah.
See that?
Oh, may sounds. Alo, bali yung ano, bali yung ano mo di oh. Kinain niya yung kahoy oh. Very strong eh. Hungry na rin siya eh. Oh,
Hungry na.
bali anong tawag dyan? Oh, kinakain niya yung kahoy mo di. Hungry na siya. Si Modi din hungry na eh. So, dyan Diyan pinaprepare yung food ng ano mo di? Food ng birds.
What's on the menu? Ito yung food ng
May Philippine din ito eh.
meat with bones.
See the Philippine eagle? Oh, open mo nga. Anong kinakain ng Philippine eagle?
Meat
Meat
with
with
bones.
bones.
The bird's stomach.
Ano nag-iip?
Acid digest bones.
Tokan.
Isa lang yung kinakain nila.
No.
Oh, madami ito. Yung Philippine eagle lang wala. Ano yan? Fish.
Spot billed. Pelican.
Oh, inside, buddy, look. This one, old man see, oh. See the worm here, buddy. The bird love to eat that one. See? See that? The worm. See this? What is that? It's a grasshopper. Ew. Birds love to eat that. Ew. Oh, may sarap. Ibalik mo kasi mag-watch yan sila eh. Delicious daw, sabi ng parrots, oh. Ano, sige na. Ano na si Mami? Oh, dahan-dahan lang. Crimson, okay, 330 meters lang pala eh. 330 meters lang ang Crimson. Oh, maganda yung park dito, oh. The best park in the world. Ang dalawa yan, ibe lecture yan eh. Very fast si Mori yan. Hungry na eh. Mordecai, answer mo yan. Wait mo kami ni Mami. Very fast eh. Staff only yan eh. Magpakain sila ng ano eh. Heliconia stream. Crimson. May uwak dito, may uwak. Oh, may climbing doon, oh. Song of the Forest, Crimson. Where's Crimson? Ayun. Okay, wait. Lake, Mori. Meet the park flags. Oh. Go inside. What is this? Flamingo.
Flamingo, American flamingo.
Flamingo pala yan. That is. Dami na natin. Mori, dalawa na. Dito mo din sa bila. Crimson. Entry, please sit, wait to be seated. Oh, the view is good. Oh, kita natin yung birds, oh, flamingo. Sige, Marty, ha? Oh, let's see, the birds is flying. The birds is flying. Ruth, sinok mo din. May sinok na naman, dumaan. Sinok na naman dumaan, eh. Oh, daming birds, oh. Oh, swerte, oh, daming birds. Oh, daming birds mo din, oh. Kita mo yun? Kita mo yung mga birds? Oh, takot sila sa akin. Parrot pa din. Dami, oh. Hello.
Do you want to fly, Marty? Do you want to fly like a bird?
Daming birds, oh. Oh, nagliparan na sila. Yung flamingo lang hindi makalipad, eh.
Flamingo, does flamingo able to fly, Marty? No. Why?
We have ano also, ah. Ayun, dami na sila. Oh, flamingo yata yan, ah. Flamingo ba yan? Katabi ng ano, oh. Oh, pumunta sa ilo na yan. Kinain na yung lips ni Marty yata. Kinain na yung lips ni Marty. Saan ang din? Marty. Thank you.
Kanya ako cheesecake.
Cheesecake.
Ito, pwede mong kainin yan.
Pwede na yan. And the bird is there, oh.
Wow, Marty. Look at that, Marty.
Sila, oh.
Akala ko kasi nandito dito pa.
O, tingin dito. Tingin kayo, Mamshi. Tingin. Mamshi, tingin. 1, 2, Marty, tingin. Smile, smile, Marty. Ah. Oh, nalapit na yung parrot sa'yo.
Oh, they're resting. Okay, no, no problem.
哎呀，现在我还得好好吃，现在，哎，现在我吃了啊！哎呀呀呀呀！我吃了啊！
Yan na. Can go into the room.
Oh, Marty, Marty, look at that. Say hi.
Ayun, nag-fly na sila. Nag-fly.
Natakot kay Marty.
Takot na
kay
kay
Marty.
O, dito sa flamingo. Dito.
How do flamingos get pink?
Ayan, how? Flamingo.
Chicks are playing over time as they are looking eggs from the brine, shrimp, and algae they feed on. Their feathers turn pink.
Bakit sila napiping?
No, because of the food they eat.
Oh, because of the food. Oh.
Morty, one more pose.
One more pose din.
Okay, isang pa ba?
Because of the food they eat pala. Ano nga yung kinakain nila? Orange? Pink? What is that? What is
Just buy later.
Dito, Ma'am She. Tawid tayo dito, oh.
Flamingos have a limit.
Paano yan?
Filter nutrient rich organisms in the water.
Move the lever. Putol na yung lever.
Move the lever, Morty.
Putol na yata eh.
Move the lever to
Putol na
see
yung
how
lever.
they...
Ito yung lever, oh. So, may lever
Morty,
dito.
ito, oh. Cross section
Ito, may
of
lever dito.
flamingos. Ito, oh.
Oh, sige. Ayaw na. Ito, sira na.
Dito ka, Morty. Morty, here.
Closer mo din, closer, oh. Dito. Stand there.
Here, stand there.
1, 2. Oh, closer. Closer to the flamingo.
Against the light, eh. Madilim.
Ayan ka, okay lang. Dito na tayo ka dyan ka lang. Tingin ka na dito. Okay. Ma'am She. Ano there, oh? The pools, water pools, oh. Sit down here, oh. Sit mo na kayo ni Mami dito pala. Oh, good. Pwede mag-live pala dito.
Morty, look at the flamingo here. Wala sila na yan. Halika na, Morty, here.
Why did it become pink mo din? Bakit nag-pink yung ano? Flamingo?
Come here. Sit here, sit here. Pawis ka na? Pawis ka na for this. Oh no. Oh, they're so cute.
Oh, apply sila mo din. Apply sila, oh.
Towel niya, Papsi. Pawis ka daw siya. Asa ko pa?
Look at the flamingo. Oh, push mo na kayo dyan. One, tingin dito. One, two. Okay. American. Kain na sa mainit.
Pala yung yellow.
Oh, you want to cross there? You want to cross? Yeah. You try muna ni Daddy, okay? Si Daddy first, pwede? Hindi ka muna, wait mo. Oh, i-video mo si Daddy, oh. Okay. Oh, careful ah. Oh, did it! Good job, buddy. Oh, dito din, sa mami. Mami, ano? Si mami.
哇，你看那个头灯卡了的嘞。
Oh, gayahin mo yung swim nila mo tayo. May kick sila. How did tayo sa river.
Inside there.
Oh, i-off. Using i-off para wala may battery pa. Oh, mo rin, oh. Nandun sila sa ano mo rin, oh. Nasa ano sila.
Stand ka dyan, Nerdy,
Oh,
stand.
daming birds, oh.
Ha? Nerdy, stand there.
Stand there, stand.
Picture. Nerdy, look.
Okay na.
Wala pa eh. Nerdy, look here.
Yan. Ilabas mo yung ano, tit. Okay, let's go. Ano tayo ang siya? Ah, dito din.
翅膀就拔出来啊。
Dito mo rin. Oh, spoonbill.
Spoonbill. The American.
Oh, doon na tayo sa falls. Ano to? This is Mara. Deer. Female deer. O, tara, doon na tayo sa falls. Alam mo rin, we are in the... Ano meron dyan? sa water. Oh, nandun sa swimming sila mo rin, oh. Inom yung maliit na birds. Okay, here. Oh, pwede pala tayong dumaan doon eh. Oops. Pwede, look at the water. There, pwede. Diyan kaya, dalawa.
Here!
Oh my God. Oh, doon na tayo. Balik na. Dito na. Dalawa kayo monkey. Okay. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Oh, may bangka. May boat mo rin, oh. Sakay ka sa boat? Sakay ka sa boat. Oh. Row your boat. La 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 la. Oh. Row your boat. Oh, dalawa kayo monkey. Row your boat. Ayan, row your boat. La 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 la. Oh, ganda ng boat ni Limordi, ah. Daming gawari, oh.
Already here. Picture ako ka.
Very close, oh.
Already have here.
Yan, stand ka dito.
Ikaw pa di stand here.
Yan. Dalawa kayo ni Mami.
Ordi, look. Oh,
Ha?
Look at here. Oh, picture mo na. Smile muna, smile.
Ayun ba yun? Yung may ano? May kakanta pala na parok. Hindi.
Masagtan mo rin booklet ko.
Oo, answer na natin yung booklet. More very fast, oh. Fully charged. Amphitheater.
What do you have face on?
Amphitheater na. Mode, wait Mami. Wait si Mami. Ayan na, we are here. The Sky Amphitheater. Kaya na sit Mode?
Kami asa daw?
Ha? Macau? Oh, sit dito ma'am siya. Hanap tayo ng sit. Oh, inside. Ang silip, marami doon.
We hope that this has been helpful for you to enjoy a greater appreciation for the wonderful wildlife around us. Have a great day ahead at Bird Paradise. See you around.
See you around. Wow. Look. Na-ditch na yung Carabao. Oh, who ate that one? Lion? Lion ba nag-eat yan?
A group of fully feathered theropods, dromaeosaurids, microraptors, and velociraptors. We've been among the descendants of dinosaurs.
Dinosaurs pala tayo.
The killing claw of a velociraptor. The talons of birds of prey. Top of the food chain. The ultimate predator. Eagles, hawks, owls, vultures, rulers of the skies, hunters and masters of flight. Welcome to Predators on Wings.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. How is everyone feeling today? I'm Dr. Ranger. My name is Sean and I are passionate in understanding and protecting birds of prey.
And as Raptor Rangers, we conduct rescue and release efforts. We also have to take care of the veterans. And today, we are going to introduce to you some of our favorite predators on.
To start things off, let me introduce you to one of our veterans of the presentation. Let's welcome Susie, our American Bull Eagle. Susie is a female and all female raptors are larger and heavier than the male. Her big antennas are huge, making her an unmatched hunter.
That's right, Dean. Susie here weighs 4.7 kilograms. And yet, flying at high speed, she's able to lift prey that can weigh up to 4 kilograms, which is almost her entire body weight.
Wow, that's pretty impressive, Shaw. But here's another interesting fact about bald eagles. They make really huge nests.
Big nests for a really big eagle. And looks like Susie's eager to hit back. Alright, thank you very much for joining us on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for Susie, our American bald eagle.
Shaw, did you hear that?
Yes, Steve, we can also spot right here in Singapore.
Slippery and crawling prey, just like fish and even snakes. They specialize in hunting venomous sea snakes.
Well, speaking of sea snakes, I have a replica of such prey right here with me. Keep your eyes on Nelson. Here it comes. Diving.
Don't worry, we do have it on replay. And look at that powerful production of the big round of applause.
That is Slimy, the white one.
There's another raptor that he shoots a ball, and that is the Brahmani kite. Say hello to Rano. What's this? Oh, nice catch. The Brahmani kites are agile hunters. They are able to snatch your prey right up in mid-air. Alright, Rhino, let's do that one more time, Charlie. Here he comes, and up we go! The traveling kites are medium-sized raptors, but as big as Nelson, our white-bellied sea eagle. And as you walk around Mount Thompson Mandai, don't forget to look up. You might be able to catch some wild Brahmani kites or even white-bellied sea eagle flying around. And this is how they look like in the sky. On the left will be the white-bellied sea eagle, and on the right, the Brahmani kite.
And it's easy to spot the differences between these two birds. Now the size is obvious, but there is also the coloration and even the shape of your wings. Now for example, the white-bellied eagle has a V-shaped wing with wedge-shaped tail.
And for the Brahmani kite, they have an N-shaped wing and a U-shaped tail. They are also brownish in color.
That's right. And speaking of raptors, ladies and gentlemen, each year, about 2 million raptors migrate during the winter from their breeding grounds in Europe and Asia, flying to as far as Africa. Now, it is a perilous journey, and thousands never make it to their destination.
Oh, binaril mo rin. Deads na sila. Kinain na.
Thousands around the world
Kinain na.
are being killed for
More than eating birds eh.
Therefore, we need your help to protect and save these birds, or soon our skies will be empty.
Wala nang birds.
If you went
Kinain na eh.
to the hell of our planet,
Hindi na kinain? Kinain eh.
pets. The one bird in particular helps us very well with pest control. That bird is none other than the owl.
Oh, already big are you owl? Owl.
Hello there. There's one in Maya, our Malay fish owl, is one of the local species found right here in Singapore. The movements that these birds hunt for never hear them coming. Because owls are masters of silent flight.
Shama, we have another Malay fish owl right up there, and that is Latte. So today, we are all going to find out how silent an owl's flight can be. And in order for us to do that, I will need everyone in this section to please remain seated and be as calm as possible.
Fly, it will fly.
Wow, the sound of you heard anything about the
Fish owl yan siya. Fish owl yan siya.
The owls with yellow color eyes that are in Maya, they hunt during the day. Morning chimes, they like to hunt with sunrise and sunset. And how about owls with black color eyes? They love to hunt during the night. Alright, and with that, let's have one good look at our lovely owls as they make their flight back to their traders. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get out our lovely Malay fish owl.
Are you enjoying?
Well, you have just seen nature's pest controllers. But did you know there's also nature's cleanup crew? Can anybody tell me what bird is that?
Tell the bird.
Vulture, that's right, give yourself a round of applause. However, vultures are widely misunderstood birds. When you see them on TV, they are portrayed as evil. Circling around the skies with ominous music.
And fly as they search for dead animals using their sense of sight and smell. The vultures help to prevent the spread of contagious diseases.
And with that, let's welcome our very first vulture, Zina, the turkey vulture.
Kami excited mo rin dito. Dito naman.
Turkey vultures come from the Americas. They are the very few birds in the world
Turkey pala yan.
sense of smell.
And that means if there is a dead animal, turkey vultures are the first ones on the scene. And turkey vultures don't travel alone, they travel in a group of about hundreds. So imagine in the sky you see about 100 turkey vultures descending onto a carcass. And that looks like a smoke signal. It signals to the other vultures in the nearby area that there is a carcass. And all the bigger vultures will follow suit. They will do the hard work of ripping apart the top part of the dead animal.
And here's an interesting fact about turkey vultures. Their stomach acid is as strong as how that looks like a seed of chaos, doesn't it?
Kinain nila yung ano mo rin.
Pocketing and stripping a carcass down to its bones. That looks like a disorganized new frenzy.
But you don't forget, vultures are social species, and they respect their place in the hectic order. When vultures gather, there is a feeding protocol.
And with that, let's welcome our very first guest at the feast, our African white-backed vulture. These birds are the
Bali yung leg niya mo rin.
flesh and organs. They are sociable but yet aggressive eaters. Once a carcass is found, they will wait nearby before beginning to feed. But once they get going,
Bali yung leg niya mo rin.
good bird will gather water and strip a carcass down to its bones in less than 10 minutes. Once finally found across Africa, they
Gutom-gutom siya mo rin. Gutom-gutom siya.
And the next cause is the ligaments and hide of the animal. Enter the Cinereus vulture. The heavyweight from Europe. Now, unlike other vultures, these birds are sold except their wings and carcass in a smaller group. The owl will rise like that.
Hindi makalipat. Overweight siya mo rin, overweight.
we have two more scavengers to showcase.
Oh, that's right, they two more scavengers.
Alright, so let's welcome our marvelous frogs from Africa.
Africa. Ayan mo rin!
And then wow, right
So, ayaw mo din mo rin. Nagano sahid mo rin. Sumabit sahid eh.
Scavengers that coexist well with vultures, especially
Nagulat siya mo rin. Sumabit sahid mo yung hair eh. Lakas yung air eh, no? Sahid mo.
Now, you would all be in a lot of trouble without vultures.
Well, that's right, Shawan. But all over the world, bees are using this amazing mix to many uses.
The Marabou store. Look at the Marabou store.
lack provision, haunted houses, and even superstitious beliefs. Many are now critically endangered, and conservation efforts from all over the world will be the only way to save them from extinction.
Marabou store.
So let us all take
Wala
a
silang
moment
buhok mo din.
and show our appreciation to this amazing
Bucket pink sila, bucket
keeping
pink.
our environment safe and clean. Let's give them a big round of applause.
So today we met raptors.
King of skies, eagle.
These kings of the skies. About ecosystem.
King of the sky.
Our planet. If we lose them, we lose a part of our family.
So, thank you for coming today, and let us all live in harmony with all predators on
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for coming down to our presentation, and now along back down to the Wings of the Wall happening at 5 p.m.
5 p.m.
Right, where is that? Wings of the Wall happening right here at 5 p.m.
Mamaya, balikan
Right, ladies and gentlemen, you have been a great audience. I'm going to get already right there in paradise. Thank you, and goodbye.
Oh, clap po din, clap, 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 clap. Oh, wait lang. Ready, here.
Excuse me.
Oh, yeah, that's why you have to try that. Careful, my hole. Ready, wait. Careful, my hole. Ready, careful, You can come back if you like. Huh? Ready. I can come back. Huh? Oh, can make it, huh? Huh? Ano, kaya? Sige, up. Go to doon. Hold po ka, daddy. Sige, relax. Yan. Sige, dahan-dahan lang. Yan, you did it, Morday. Good job. Almost there. Oh, Morday did it. Oh, dito rin si daddy. Dito rin si daddy. Kita. Morday, si daddy. Nag-jump na si daddy. Morday did it. Morday did it. Si Mami. Jump. Ready? Wow, more do you like it? Sige, jump. Tired na? Are we going down? Going down? Wait lang. Going down? Sa kabila dahil dadaan. May dadaan. Wait. Iputo kita sa puto. tayo naman. Stay here. May puto ni Daddy. Okay. On the other side, Morty is the winner. Morty solo. Other side naman. Transfer other side. Stay there. Doon sa kabila. Sa likod mo. Oh, nag-jump. Oh, doon sa kabila. Doon. Ito. Oh, careful ha. Oh, careful ha. Dahan na. Wait, huwag mag-jump. Wait, yan. Ganyan. Wait, hold ka ni Daddy. Ayun. Kaya pa rin. Dito naman. Dito ka dano. Dito pa gano'n. Hold mo yung lines. Hold mo yung lines. Hold the lines. Yan. Careful ha. Oh, tingin kay Daddy, picture. Oh, Daddy, tingin. Oh, Daddy, tingin kay Daddy. Here. Tingin kay Daddy. Body very far, very good ah. Strong ang baby na yan ah. Harap dito. Harap dito. Yan. Picture. 1, 2. Dito ba na? Dito. Ha? Sige, video sila din. Oh, plenty of birds. Adventure trail. Oh, boy, what is this tree, Mode? You know what is tree, this one? It's a bamboo tree. Hold mo nga yung bamboo tree. Mode, oh, ito. Bamboo, oh, hold mo yung bamboo. Oh, daming ano, Australian pelicans. Daming birds. Oh, ito ba na eh? Oh, daming birds. Daming birds, oh. No eating, drinking, touching, keep her away. Oh, nagbabite yan sila ng ears. Okay, nagbabite sila ng ears.
Okay, so feed the flock.
Feed the
potentially be under the okay.
oh, very nice. Ode. Oh, nag-i-eat siya mo rin, oh. How he eat? Watch mo siya nag-i-eat, oh. Mode. Oh, mayroon din dun sa trees mo rin, oh. See the trees? Plenty of birds.
So there is one other species that is not white in color. This is a small little brown bird. If you can't just now, but it's just okay. No, it's actually I think you can see it over there.
Picture ako kayo dyan.
Brown bird, you might look at the guy. Okay, this is wild Manchurian heron, also known as a Wilkinson heron. So this particular guy is a juvenile. The adults are the very
Okay, doon, dami birds, oh.
brown
Sa
color feather. Okay, so you can usually see two of them, two types of herons over here.
pelicans mo rin, oh. Pelicans.
Coming down to the feeding area, so they still feeding. Not going to fish.
Very big pelicans eh.
Okay, so last but not least, okay, there is a last stop that usually sometimes comes down, sometimes doesn't come down. So this is the vessel a given stop. So later if we need an appearance of what we guys know, but basically
Mare, come. Oh, tree house ito eh. Moments of Paradise. Oh, ito po tayo sa tree house Mare, oh. House of the tree. No feeding, no catching. Oh, what house is that, Mare? That's the house of Mare. Anong birds dyan? May birds dyan sa likod mo. Stop over si Morty, oh. What house is that? May birds dito. Sana yung birds? Sige, oh. Win-win solution. Win-win solution ba yan?
Morty is tired.
Picture naman dia. There, the nest, oh. See the birds, my nest. Dito sa gitna. Very good, ah. Daming birds, oh. Oh, yung birds mo di, oh. Yung sa right, sa left side mo, sa left side. Yun, very close, oh. Yun, what bird is that? What is that bird? Is the black color, oh. Who lives here? Hindi pa lang napindot yun. Oh, that's a tree. Tree top mo rin, oh.
Wood.
That's a rambutan. Oh, doon sa ano yan. Ito mo rin. Ito. Diyan ka sa gitna. Oh, sit down here, oh. Yeah. This photo. Pawis na ba? Slow down, slow down. Saan tayo? Dito? To the right. Oh, may rin birds, oh. Daming birds everywhere, eh. Everywhere is the birds, hanging braids. Daming ebon ba? Bagong bukas lang ito, Mangsi, di ba?
Yeah.
Ang ganda pang ano, napasyalan, eh. Sulit yung daming ano, eh. The birds everywhere. Everywhere is the birds. is here eating.
Morty, oh.
Oh, anong birds yan?
Yellow-billed stork. Yellow-billed stork, Morty, oh. Madagascar. Crested ibis.
Ha? Anong nga dyan?
Uy.
Ha? Ito. Look at there. Yan. Ayun, naitlog na si Morty.
Oh, come out more.
Come out here.
Labas pa yung ulo.
Labas ka dito sana.
Yan, perfect.
1, 2, 3. Okay, come on. Hanging bridge. Wala na yung bird show. Pelicans. Catch siya mo rin, nag-eat siya, oh. Nag-eat siya mo rin. Hello everyone, mo rin.
Which means I don't just look at birds, I look for birds. Did you know I'm trapped from Scotland to Zululand and even all the way down to Antarctica to see as many birds as I can in a single year.
Ay. Oh, monkey yan ah.
Everyone look around you!
Nandito side na mo rin.
However, eating unripe fruit is not good for these birds as they may contain toxins within them. Eating enough birds, you want to eat even more. That did not stop and hit the Southeast Asia.
Paradise in Singapore. Now this park is home to 3,500 birds from over 400 alien species.
How many? 3,000? Oh, nagtago sila mo rin. Yan.
So going now, see what I mean? Brings meet some special friends of the park. Everyone look left and right. Here comes a beautiful bird. Hello there.
Dito sa bird hall.
Bouncing down, Jessie.
And he can see that he is about 10 years old.
The molecular of very unique red color in each color. Now that is common among the local cockatoos. He is also around 15 years old.
That's right. Now these birds bring meat for flies and they make devoted parents. So they will use the advantage of treating these like this to build their nest.
That's right. step for them would be to use 3 parts. Try to leave an even sweep as their nesting material. And they will drop it into the nest cavity, like the one you see right over there. If the cavity is too small, they will use their beak to enlarge them. What are we waiting for? Let's see the bird in action.
Okay, let's do this all the way inside. Alright, now if you're wondering what goes on inside, everyone take a look at the screen. Ah, hello there,
Doon, nasa inside si Mordy pala. Kita sa camera eh, oh. Nasa loob si Mordy pala. Sticks yan eh. Yung kinain ni Mordy kanina eh, sticks. Clap, 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 clap. Oh, ano yung sing na siya? What sing is that? Chicken pala yun. Chicken pala yun. Tinola pala yun. Tinola.
What do you mean? That is an Amazon parrot. Am I right, everyone?
So you're saying you don't believe me? No. Okay, you stand right there and let me prove this to you. Okay? She will talk. You want to show everyone?
Oh, talk yan sa mga. Si.
Rooster. Everyone is Quincy, and that is Amigo. Mom is Amigo. Mimicry.
Si Amigo.
Okay, Quincy, how would you like to welcome everyone?
May ubo siya.
Welcome to Parrot Paradise. Let's do it one more time, shall we? Ready?
Tawa siya ulit eh. Oh, magsang na siya. May sing-sing na yan. Tawa siya ulit. Kering-kering. Oh, telepon. Kering-kering. Alarm yan eh. Alarm. Clap, clap, clap.
When parrots make sounds, they just mimicking sounds made by their family. When they copy human sounds, they're just copying what they hear around them.
That's right. In our case, Quincy and Amigo's family will be the Monday sound.
That's correct. Now all of you know what Quincy has to say. Now let's see what this Amazon parrot has in store. Would you like to start with a very simple hello? Nice
Hello, hello, baby. Daddy, hello.
Did you know you can say his own name? Let's hear that one more time.
My friend, Mordy.
What's your name?
Oh, clap.
Amigo, you see that huge audience just to see you today. So, how would you like to greet all these nice people?
How are you?
Ayo, Mordy. Clap.
How are you? How's everyone doing today? Good? Fantastic! Amigo, you're very talented, as you know. But did you know you can also sing? You can
Oh,
sing
sing na siya. Anong sing, Amigo? Oh, yun ang answer natin. Oh, oh, tanong mo yung song ni Amigo. Answer natin yung box.
Now these songs goes out to all of you. Amigo, are you ready? Thank you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, birthday. Mordy. Ayo, clap. May-answer na tayo. May-answer.
So please think twice.
Happy birthday pala yun.
Think 100 times before getting yourself a test parent. And with that, let's give up a quick see in the video.
Oh, clap mo na, clap mo na!
Hundreds of thousands of these birds are sold into the pet trade.
Why not come down to the bird paradise center?
I agree, why not? But first, what's next?
Oh, right now we're going to meet a
Tukutukan. Tukutukan.
Okay, would you like to join me on stage right over here? Just a little hop. Alright. So everyone, meet Mrs. Axel, the Tokyo Toucan. Now Mrs. Axel, she has been with us for over 25 years.
25 years na siya.
And then later, a much loved dear.
Hello, mother!
Both play an important part in the ecosystem.
Olivia. Now Olivia here is going to show off her flying skills by flying through 3 different groups. So we will need the pre-selected volunteers with the blue stickers only. Now once again, if you were issued the blue stickers, please make your way on stage right now. Okay, so let's see if we have a blue sticker volunteer. Hello there. Volunteers on stage. Okay, who's how are you helping here? Okay, we will need only the adult volunteer. I'm so sorry about that, okay? You can hit that home right over there? Yes, you can watch from the audience area, alright? Thank you very much. Okay, so while we wait for our volunteers to get ready, let me share with you a very heartwarming story about Olivia. Now, as a chick, she fell out of the nest and hurt herself. Then the while Olivia would not have survived. But right here, she has been nursed back to health and has a safe and permanent home with us. Okay, so some of time adjustments. Volunteer, hold your foot still and steady. Olivia, ready? Oh, good job!
Clap mo na, clap mo na, clap mo na.
I think that was a little bit too fast. So shall we do this one more time? Alright.
One more time, Olivia. One more
Okay,
time.
volunteers, ready? Olivia, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Clap mo na. Clap mo na.
Volunteers, thank you.
1, 2, 3, let's go, numbers!
Simula sa clap, clap. Clap mo na, clap, clap. Hindi nakita sa camera. Clap, 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 clap. Bude, fly sa likod, bude, sa likod mo, sa likod. Fly! Fly! Diretso. Dumiretso siya.
Now, in Borneo, where these birds can be found, it is believed that if a hornbill flies over your area, you will. That is everyone.
Right up there, and let's welcome our beautiful pioneers. Wow! This is an enrichment device called Dermatibis. It is made from rose, tied into knots, and inside these knots, we have trees hidden in them for our birds to forage. This allows our conures to express their natural behaviors. Conures are from the forests of South America and once widespread. They are now endangered. Did you know that each year over 800,000 of these birds are sold into the pet trade? There are now more conures in people's homes than there are in the wild. As you can see, they are a social species and are happier in flocks. So please do not keep them as pets. Did you know that in the world there are over 40 species of conures? The sun conures, which were the ones with more yellow feathers, and the gently conures, which are the ones with more green feathers. And it looks like our conures have already made their way back home. Let's give them a big hand, everyone.
Clap, clap, clap. How many? Come. Kasi answer natin. How many is it? Oh, nag-swimming na sila. Happy birthday. Tayo ka dito mo, picture ka na. Dito sa part. Okay, tingin. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, dito kay Mami. The tram is moving. Mommy is riding the train. Mommy is there. Modi is riding the tram. Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay po yung kay Mami. Perfect answer. Oop, kunin mo din.